What's up, it's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and if your family is like mine, you love chicken wings, especially when we cook them outside on the grill. This version is no exception. We are making lemon pepper chicken wings with a homemade lemon pepper seasoning, a lemon butter drizzle, and all of that smoky char grilled flavor. Let's do it. All right, kick things off. I've got about 4 pounds of chicken wings here. These have been separated, so I've got a mix of flats and drums. They've been patted dry. They're ready to season, so let's make our seasoning. Now, I love a bottled lemon pepper seasoning. It's what I grew up on, but when I started making it from scratch, I never went back. Because we're gonna be using the seasoning right away, I've got some fresh lemon zest, but I do have a recipe for lemon pepper seasoning on my website that makes a shelf-stable version of lemon pepper where the lemon peels are actually dehydrated. So if you wanna make a double batch and store the lemon pepper seasoning so you can keep using it, make sure you check out the lemon pepper seasoning recipe that's on the website. It's the same thing, just dried lemon peel. Okay, to the lemon zest, we're gonna add some kosher salt, some cracked black pepper, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and some fresh minced garlic. Again, shelf stable, you'll wanna use dried. Give that a good mix, and you've got homemade lemon pepper seasoning. So easy and honestly so much more flavorful than a store-bought version. To help our seasoning stick to our chicken and to help our chicken skin get nice and crispy on the grill, we're gonna give it a coat with some avocado oil. You can use your favorite spray cooking oil. Just a light layer, and then on goes the lemon pepper seasoning. Give them a flip and repeat on the opposite side. These are ready to get on the grill. I'm doing this on my pellet grill today. I've got it at high heat, about 400 degrees, because I really want that crispy, crunchy outside coating on my chicken wings. You could do this on charcoal or propane. You just wanna make sure that you have a direct zone of heat and an indirect zone of heat. So you can put your chicken wings on the direct zone of heat, keep them moving, but you have an indirect zone in case you start battling flare-ups. There's somewhere for your chicken wings to go, so you don't have to worry about them burning on the grill. On a pellet grill, these are probably gonna take about 20 to 30 minutes to cook. I wanna flip them once during the cooking process. If you are doing it over more direct heat, like on a charcoal or a gas grill, you wanna flip them every 3 to 5 minutes to prevent them burning. We're looking for an internal temperature on our chicken wings of about 175 degrees Fahrenheit, so they're nice, moist, juicy, but they pull off the bone cleanly. Our chicken wings are almost done. They're right about 165. So I'm gonna make my lemon butter drizzle. It literally is lemon juice and butter. Nothing crazy, but it adds so much to the finished flavor of these wings. So I'm just gonna whisk this together. It's gonna thicken up a little bit. That's totally fine as the butter starts to cool. When I add these hot wings into the bowl with this lemon butter, we're gonna mix it all together and you're gonna get all of that flavor coating the outside of these wings. And then as you transfer them to your serving platter, you can drizzle the rest over the top. They're so good. Chicken wings are golden brown and 175. They're ready to go into our lemon butter. I seem to have more wings than I have bowl, but I will toss gently and carefully to coat them. Nope, immediate fail. We're just gonna drizzle it on the platter. How about that, guys? Because I like to live on the edge, this part is optional. But you got that fresh lemon. I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit more fresh cracked black pepper. Those are some beautiful looking and smelling chicken wings. Now, if you know me, you know I am a flats girl. Those are so delicious. I mean, lemon pepper wings is such a classic flavor, but when you make that lemon pepper seasoning from scratch and finish them with fresh lemon juice and melted butter, it's just layer on layer on layer of flavor. Plus they're smoky and juicy and crispy. These are some next level wings that are super, super simple. If you give this one a try, let me know how it turns out for you. Head to the comment section of my website, leave a review. They're one of my favorite things to read. I love seeing my recipes in your backyards. Catch you next time.